done a small analysis how this investment has gone to irrigated area and rainfed area. Apart from this rainfed area, also there are a lot of areas that also need special attention. I have just calculated this figures up to 2017-18 since 1951. Means we have created 100 million hectares since 51, but out of that one, around 35 to 40 million hectare goes to groundwater. Means around 67 to 70 million hectare only has been created in totality. This is the investment in irrigation. In case of watershed, till 2005-6, total investment was 17,035 crore, and from 6-7 to 17-18, the central investment is 27,634 crores. If you see, there was a regular increase till 2012-13, almost in the range of 3,300 crore, and then from 13-14 onwards, it has dipped down. And nowadays the investment is only 1,700 to 1,800 crore a year. Then the comparison, if you say, there is an analysis of what has happened to the drought in the last 15 years, depending on this memorandums and states claims that has been come to Department of Agriculture. Then number of districts with more than 4 droughts in a 6-year cycle has increased from 188 districts to 226 in this cycle 2013-8 compared to 2006 and 11 cycle. This may be correlated with the annual investment in watershed, which has come down from 2572 crore in average before 2006 6 to 15 cycle to 15-19. That has come down to around 1762 crore per year. Of course, there is a lot of discussion on NRAA has also been a lot of investment is being made. We have just captured some data. If you compare the data of 2017-18, so there is a glaring inequalities in irrigated and versus rainfed areas. Productivity is much low, is almost 1/3. A lot of things you can just see. There a lot of investment and infrastructure is required in rainfed area, which were deficient at, and even small ruminant, if you see, those are much higher in case of rainfed area. That is 325 for 100 household, and a lot of efforts need to be made for small ruminants in rainfed areas. Actually, there is a need for different approach for rainfed and irrigated, because their water source are different, the treatment area is different. Here it is command, there it is catchment, and the strategy also, irrigation efficiency is only in irrigated area, but the entire land degradation neutrality, what we are talking of, the entire soil and water conservation and livelihood improvement lies in the rainfed area, and a lot of thrust is to be given there. And crops also, and cropping system, as has been told by Ravindra and many other speakers, that needs to be given much emphasis in rainfed areas. And watershed management and farming system in totality has to be taken together for rainfed area approach. So there is need for higher investment in rainfed areas because of the commitment we have made for 26 million hectare, and also the climate change and other issues, those are happening, and there is also need for amalgamation of schemes, giving more focus on rainfed area, and a lot of schemes they can be thought of being merged together with watershed, rainfed area development, maybe PDMC and even agroforestry to make a big impact in the development of rainfed areas. So these are some suggestions. We hope there will be some strategy, something in the 15th Finance Commission when we are working with the guidelines. some strategy and thought process will be given to give additional focus on investment in Rainfed area. Thank you.